In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tracker Network for Valorant. If you've been looking for a simple way to see your in-game performance, track your match history, and get insights that help you improve, the Valorant Tracker app is a great place to start. We're going to keep this straightforward and make sure you install it safely and correctly so it's ready the next time you play. First, head to the official Valorant Tracker app page. Make sure you're on the legitimate site from the Tracker Network team and not a random mirror or ad. A quick way to double-check is to look for a secure connection in your browser and confirm that the page clearly references the Valorant Tracker app. Avoid downloads from third-party hosts. Sticking to the official page helps you steer clear of outdated or tampered files. Once you're on the correct page, find and click the download button to get the installer. You should see your browser start downloading a small .exe file. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. If you're on Windows, this is the file type you want. If anything blocks the download, such as a browser warning, review the message carefully and proceed only if you're sure you're on the official source. When the download is complete, run the .exe file and complete the short installation process. It's a good idea to close Valorant before you start, just to avoid any conflicts with background services. Double-click the installer, and if Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. Some security tools or smart screen prompts may appear for new apps. As long as you've downloaded from the official page, you can continue. The installer will guide you through a few quick screens. You can usually accept the default install location unless you prefer a specific drive. Read through the terms and choose whether you want a desktop shortcut or startup option, depending on your preference. The installation should take only a moment. When it finishes, you'll see a confirmation screen. You might have an option to launch the app right away. You can decide whether to open it immediately or later. That's it. You visited the official page, downloaded the installer, and completed the setup. With the app installed, you're ready to have your stats and match insights available whenever you play. Keep the installer in your downloads if you want an easy way to reinstall later, and always return to the official page for updates to stay current and secure.